Welcome to the channel. In my last video, I showed you how I store my e-bike for the winter, taking the battery out and stuff, and what I do with the bike. And I told you that I keep my battery in the house. So I want to show you a product that I purchased to store my batteries in. Also, you could use this to carry your batteries around in your vehicle when you are transporting it. And, you know, like some people take the batteries out of their bikes when they have them on the bike rack so they don't jostle around and stuff. Also, you could use this when you are charging your battery in the house. That's right. I purchased the e-bike battery storage bag that are fireproof. So let me show you. Bam. Okay, black, little, it's by Lipo Guard. Got some fluorescent stripes on it, a couple handles, okay. If you want to charge it, if you want to charge it, there's a zip Velcro there, and yeah, you can see the hole. You can put your cord right in there and charge it. Anyway, it's about 16.5 inches long, I guess. About 5.5 inches wide and tall and wide. Okay, like I said, nice lime green Velcro. Line. It's got Velcro right here. Okay. Velcro. Real hard. Real nice. Okay. And a zipper. Okay. Ta-da. Put my battery right in there. Okay. It has a silicone coated fireproof glass fiber outside, so it kind of feels like rubber. Okay. So that makes it fireproof and waterproof. And then you have inside fireproof, aluminum foil cloth inside, okay? So if you're using this and charging it, charging your batteries, you know how sometimes, you've seen on, the news, you've seen on, social media where e-bike batteries burn, combust or whatever, catch fire and stuff. If you put them in, you put your battery in here to charge, all right, this will protect from, burning your house down, I guess. This bag is good for like 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit. That's pretty hot. But, so I've got a nice bag in there. My battery's in there, fits real good, okay? So, zip it up. And Velcro, okay? Like I said, you could use this bag to store your batteries in your house for the winter. You could use it to carry your bags in your car for while you're transporting your e-bike, on the bike rack. And you could also use it for when you're charging your batteries and you haven't plugged in, so it's fireproof. I usually don't use it. I haven't used them yet for charging. I usually just charge regular, have them set on a table here, but anyway. If you're interested, there'll be a link in the description below. And yes, it is an affiliate link, and yes, I will receive a small commission, but there will be no extra charge to you. So if you're interested, please check them out. Relatively cheap protection for your house, while charging your e-bike batteries. Also, easy way to carry your batteries around, You know, you could also, you know, if you had a spare battery and you're on a long ride, you had a spare battery, you could always put it in there in one of these bags here and strap it on your bike to take with you so you had another one. That's another thing you could do with it. But anyway, that's it for now. Quick, easy video. You know what to do. If you haven't already, hit all those buttons. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.